CycloneDX is an open standard for software composition analysis, SCA, that aims to simplify and standardize how organizations describe the components and dependencies of their software applications. It provides a format for creating an inventory of software components used in a project and their relationships to one another. The CycloneDX specification is designed to be language and package manager agnostic, meaning it can be used with any programming language and package manager. CycloneDX creates a standard format for sharing this information among different tools and systems that need to consume and analyze the software components used in a project. The CycloneDX format includes metadata about the software components, including the name, version, and unique identifier, as well as information about their dependencies and licensing. CycloneDX reports can be generated in a variety of formats, including XML, JSON, and SPDX. By using CycloneDX, organizations can gain greater visibility into their software supply chain and better manage their software vulnerabilities. CycloneDX reports can be consumed by software development, security, and compliance tools to identify potential security risks, license compliance issues, and other vulnerabilities in the software supply chain. CycloneDX is a versatile tool that can be used in various use cases, including software supply chain management. CycloneDX can be used to create an inventory of software components and their dependencies, which can be used to manage the software supply chain. This information can be used to track the use of open source components, ensure compliance with licensing requirements, and manage the risk of using vulnerable components. Vulnerability management. CycloneDX can help identify vulnerabilities in the software supply chain by providing information about the versions of software components used in a project and their known vulnerabilities. This information can be used to prioritize patching and other remediation efforts. License compliance. CycloneDX can help organizations ensure compliance with software licenses by providing information about the licenses used by software components and their dependencies. This information can be used to identify potential licensing conflicts and ensure compliance with license requirements. DevOps integration. CycloneDX can be integrated into the DevOps toolchain to provide automated SCA. This can help organizations identify vulnerabilities and compliance issues early in the software development lifecycle, reducing the risk of introducing vulnerabilities into production environments. Reporting. CycloneDX reports can be shared with stakeholders to provide visibility into the software supply chain and its potential risks. This can include reports for compliance and auditing purposes, as well as reports for internal use to track and manage the software supply chain. Overall, CycloneDX is a powerful tool for managing the software supply chain and ensuring the security and compliance of software components used in a project. Its flexibility and versatility make it suitable for use in a variety of use cases, from vulnerability management to DevOps integration to compliance reporting. Here are some study links related to CycloneDX. An analysis of software bill of materials formats by the National Telecommunications and Information Administration, NTIA. This report compares various software bill of materials, SBOM, formats, including CycloneDX, and provides recommendations for improving SBOM standards. Open source risk in the supply chain, by the Synopsys Cybersecurity Research Center. This report examines the use of open source software in the supply chain and the associated risks. The report includes a section on CycloneDX and its use for SCA. Continuous integration, continuous delivery, key, CD, security, by the Department of Homeland Security Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA. This document provides guidance on securing the key, CD pipeline, including the use of SCA tools like CycloneDX. Integrating CycloneDX and SPDX for better open source management, by the Open Source Initiative, OSI. This blog post discusses the integration of CycloneDX and SPDX, another open source software supply chain standard, and how it can improve open source management. OpenSSF case studies. CycloneDX, by the OpenSSF. This case study provides an overview of CycloneDX and its use in the software supply chain, including a discussion of its benefits and challenges. These resources provide insights into CycloneDX and its use cases, as well as guidance on best practices for using the tool to manage software components and their dependencies.